Welcome to OnRamp 101. In this short video, you'll learn what OnRamp is, why teams use it, and the core building blocks you'll work with as an admin. OnRamp is onboarding software. Its job is simple: help you deliver smooth, consistent, and scalable onboarding to every customer without recreating everything from scratch. Your customers move through onboarding inside a guided portal, while your team manages the journey behind the scenes. To make this work, OnRamp is built on 5 key components. Playbooks, your repeatable templates. You design a playbook and then create projects directly from them, either manually or with automations. Projects, the heart of OnRamp. They organize your tasks, timelines, and customer collaboration in one place. You'll invite your customer to a project when you're ready. So, modules, major phases or chapters in the journey. Modules act like mini playbooks. They bundle several related tasks and can be reused in multiple playbooks and projects. Tasks, the outcomes you need completed. Each task can be completed by a customer or an internal team member. Subtasks, the specific steps that make up each task. While a task is what you want your customer to do, subtasks are how they do it. These are the core pieces of every onboarding flow in OnRamp. Once you understand them, you're ready to build repeatable journeys, launch projects automatically, and guide customers to activation faster.